In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get new Gemini update 3.7 Flash. Let's get started. First, launch your Google Gemini website or launch the Gemini app on your Android or iPhone. Sign in to your Google account and make sure you have an eligible Google AI subscription, as Gemini 3.7 Flash is not available on the free consumer tier of the Gemini app. If you need to upgrade, you can click on the option of upgrade over here. Then choose the subscription AI Plus, AI Pro or AI Ultra. After you do that, you can head back. Now click on this drop down. Here you're gonna find the option of Gemini 3.7 Flash. Click on that. You can then start a new conversation and use Gemini 3.7 Flash for tasks such as reasoning, coding, analyzing files, and completing multi-step requests. For developers, open Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. Open the playground and look for modals panel. If Gemini 3.7 Flash is available to your account, select it from the modal list and start testing your prompts or application. You can also use Google's supported API and developer tools to integrate the modal into your own applications and AI workflows. Once you have access to the modal, you can test its reasoning capabilities. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.